The reason why I say I found the perfect earrings is because I look like the bird of paradise today. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Roshni and my channel is Roshni Allure. I make videos on beauty, skincare, makeup looks and tech. Today I am gonna be unboxing my very first Apple Pencil, the second generation one. I'm very excited to share with you my first impressions on the Apple Pencil. This video is for you if you want to chill, relax and watch a calming video. If you're looking for a high kung fu energy sort of a video, well, it's not really me, even though sometimes when I do get excited I do tend to talk really fast. So basically what I wanted to share with you in this video was my first impressions on the Apple Pencil second generation, and this is the first time I ever purchased an Apple Pencil. And I also recently I got my iPad Pro, the 11-inch 2020 edition, so I did do an unboxing of that. If you would like to check that video out, you can just hit the iCard up here. So in this video you will see me sharing my first impressions on the Apple Pencil, and I also show you a couple of things that I do with the Apple Pencil on my iPad Pro, and what are some of the things that you can use an Apple Pencil for. If you're considering getting an Apple Pencil for yourself, you may want to have a look at this video to see what are some things that you can use the Apple Pencil for. So I hope you enjoy this video, without me rambling on too much, and do look out for more videos on Apple products, unboxings, some of my what I use my iPad for, what I'm going to be using the Apple Pencil for, and I hope this gives you some ideas of what you could possibly use these devices for in your life. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing of the Apple Pencil second generation. Please excuse my lack of makeup in that video because I was just too excited when I got the Apple Pencil 2. I wasn't planning on making a video or anything like that, but I decided to record that anyway, and I guess it started from there. So pardon my lack of makeup, but that was what I decided to record the Apple Pencil unboxing, looking like that. So I hope you enjoy watching the video. If you do, please hit the thumbs up button, comment down below on what you enjoyed about the video, or if there's something that you didn't like about the video, you can let me know as well. And hit the subscribe button so you can join my Roshni Allure family. And what else? Please share the video if you think someone else who is maybe possibly interested in getting an Apple Pencil 2 or an iPad Pro. You can check out this video to see what an iPad Pro can do. What can I do with an Apple Pencil? Do I really need an Apple Pencil? Which are some of the questions that I really had before I decided to get an Apple Pencil 2. And you know what? I haven't regretted purchasing it. So yeah, let's get into my video, and I hope you enjoy watching it. I will see you guys inside. I just arrived today, so I thought I would do an unboxing of that video. I have never owned an Apple Pencil before. My package arrived looking like this. I'm just gonna cover up my address. So it arrived like this, in a box like this. I really don't know how I'm gonna do this. Okay, I can do that. Like that. Okay. And you guys get to see it first, I guess. And then what? Right. So it tapes off. Okay, yeah. That neatly in the box. Ta-da! So it is taped down. Okay. I'm gonna take it out from here. Not the most graceful unboxing because I've seen some unboxings and they're so good at it. They open it so neatly and everything, but I'm just like, nah, rip it off. Okay, so you don't have to struggle with the wrapping. Comes with a little tab here and unwrap like this. Okay, opening it, it says, it gives you the details. It says Apple Pencil, iPad Pro 11-inch and iPad Pro 12.9-inch, third generation. So I guess these are the models it's compatible with. Yeah, one shows it at the back, and it also shows you how you charge it. You attach it to the side of the iPad. So let's open this pretty pencil up. Like, who would have thought you'd be excited to open a pencil, right? A lot of people apparently. And then with the same tab, you just go, I don't know if you can see this because my light is too white. That's just a white packaging. Opens up like this. Okay, it says designed by Apple in California, of course assembled in China. Okay, so I just had a peek. Looks like this. There we go. That is the pencil. Hello, gorgeous pencil. So, wow. This is the new Apple Pencil. It looks like a pencil, like a white pencil. Yeah. So, yeah. Well, this new pencil apparently is able to do is able to function slightly differently from the previous one. For a first time Apple Pencil customer, a purchaser, this is not heavy. It's actually just a nice weight. It's pure white, and yeah, like the the nib is slightly bigger than I thought. Okay, and apparently these nibs, you can change them when they get degraded and stuff, so you can unscrew it. I screw it back in. Okay, so this is the new Apple Pencil. Well, I guess we want to see how it works, right? So let me bring my iPad Pro. So this is the new iPad Pro that I purchased as well, and I've been loving it. How this works is, so it charges on the side. Okay, so it says this: as soon as I pad the pencil onto the iPad, welcome to Apple Pencil. And then I to do the setup. So this is a very weird angle. Okay, then it says explore, double tap your Apple Pencil to switch between the tool you're using and the eraser. Take it out. And then oh, okay, cool. So this is what happens. So when I'm double tapping, yeah, there's a blue light. Can you see that? Yeah. So that means the double tap function is working. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Let's just go done. Okay. So let's try Lake. It's a coloring application. So let's try that. Try that. It's pretty cool. So Lake is free. Yeah. So this is Lake, and let's try it out. I'm gonna try it out and then you guys can see what I'm doing as well. The Lake is pretty cool. Comes with a couple of color palettes. And then you can zoom in what part you wanna color in. So So now let's test out like some writing. So if I pick, what is this? And then you can just move it around. Ooh, let's try some movie making. Okay, this should be fun. Okay, so let's create a project, movie, export that. So you can use this to scroll through. You can so it's really easy to just like scroll through the whole video. If you've made a really long video clip, you can pick, you know, which, if you just want to drag certain clips, you can hold it and shift it around really easily. It really helps if you, especially if you have, you know, stubby fingers like I do, and I used to edit my YouTube videos on my iPhone, so this will be really helpful. And I can use a really, you know, precision pointer to do it. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty strong. So every time it pairs, it will tell you the percentage of battery, which is 63%. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, so I have been playing Forgotten Anne, which is a really, really nice game. The graphics and illustrations on this game is the bomb. You guys have a look and tell me what you think. So they say it's based on the Ghibli anime comics, and I think it's pretty cool. So this is another game that I enjoy playing. It's probably the longest I've played, and this is Township. So it's kind of like a cute farming game, and the Apple Pencil is pretty useful, so you can scroll around easily and select. Yep, I wanted to use it for journaling, right? So one of the ideas I had was, so I got this journal called the Gratitude Journal from the Happiness Planner website. They were giving out free gratitude journal for, you know, this whole COVID situation that was going on, and I thought this was a really good opportunity to do a bit of self-reflection. So this is pretty cool. Basically what you can do, they provided a whole bunch of templates that you can fill in. So let's do some journaling. So there's another free journal that I've been wanting to sort of work on, and since I have the iPad, it's perfect. And this is Mel Robbins' journal, which is like a daily sort of thing that you can do. So there are lots of templates online, free and the ones that you have to pay for, and you can use your Apple Pencil to sort of work on that. So that's what the Apple Pencil can do. You can draw, you can color, you can take notes, you can journal, you can edit your videos, you can use it for playing games, you can... Sky's the limit. I haven't explored everything that it's able to do. It charges with the iPad, so there is no external charger, which means if you buy this version, you're gonna have to use it with the latest versions. So it's pretty cool. I think the only thing that, you know, the only issue that I have is they've printed out this little symbol here. I think it's like for proper disposal. Do not throw it in the dustbin. Like, how do you properly dispose of this product? And that's probably because you have to recycle it, because it's an electronic device. It's like your instructions. There's also some instructions on safety and handling, the battery cleaning, ergonomics. It's important to find a comfortable posture, change your position often, and take frequent breaks. That is so that you don't get shoulder cramping and hand problems later. Very good. The Bluetooth must be on to use and charge your Apple Pencil. So that's an important reminder. Make sure your Bluetooth is on so that your Apple Pencil gets charged. And just to put it there, and then if your Bluetooth is off, your Apple Pencil is not going to work because it's not been charged. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That is my unboxing of the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Hey guys, so yeah, that was the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I hope you enjoyed me unboxing my very first Apple Pencil and all the things that the Apple Pencil can be used for at that point in time. I'm definitely gonna follow up with another video on what are some of the things that I have been doing with the Apple Pencil since I got my Apple Pencil, which has been a while now. So I have definitely been doing a lot more things with the Apple Pencil, and if you want to watch another video on what more the Apple Pencil can do, let me know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed watching this video, thank you so much for staying till the end. Hit the thumbs up button if you liked it. If you want to comment on something in the video, please let me know down below, and please subscribe to my channel so that I can post and make more content such as this. So thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.